Hello, I'm Dr. Sirisha and a warm welcome to you back to my channel. In this video, we shall try to focus on the kind of mindset that great leaders will have. How do they think? What kind of thought process that they go through in proving themselves as wonderful leaders, right? We'll see what kind of mindset great leaders will have. Personal versus corporate mindset. See, we are here or discussing the mindset of great leaders who are proven to be very influential. That does not mean that those wonderful, effective leaders all are foolproof. It does not mean that they have not gone through any personal crisis ever. It does not ensure that they have not committed any mistakes. It does not, make us believe that they are never wrong in whatever decisions that they have made. Also, it does not, it is not true that they have not gone through any personal crisis, any personal ups and downs. You take the example of any business leaders or any political leaders, they have a life full of ups and downs. And downs are very much part of their life. And it is the mindset which makes them different from others. It is how they take those downs and how they embraced those falls, those wrong decisions. That is what that makes them apart, makes them unique, makes them really great leaders. Okay? So that personal fall or that personal mistakes, personal, shortcomings, and how they could overcome them, how they could embrace that failure, how what they have learned from their failures, and how they have applied their failures and the learning that they have, acquired through those failures in their future decision making, in their future decisions, how they could guide through their personal failures to others, how what kind of guidance they can give to others. That is what makes them different. See, healing your own personal mindset will bring out your best corporate mindset. Healing here, healing in the sense how you embrace your journey, how you learn from your mistakes, and how you apply that in not committing the same mistake again in a different situation, and how best you are able to guide others from learning from your own mistakes. That is what makes the leaders great leaders. That is what makes them unique and different. Okay, so it's like a journey, and how they are able to embrace that journey and keep learning and disseminate that information among others and guide their followers. That is what makes them great leaders. That corporate mindset is something that is gained from their personal journeys and personal mistakes. Especially, we all commit mistakes, and it is not true that great leaders might never have committed any mistake. No, but how they are evolving, how they could evolve, how they could develop themselves from those wrong decisions or from those mistakes. That is what builds a right corporate mindset among the leaders. Okay. Also, money mindset. That is also again very important difference in the mindset of great leaders. They never have let their last salary bracket dictate their worth. It is your salary or your pay package, that is just a number. That is how they think, all the great leaders, because they will never allow a number, a salary, a package to dictate their self-worth. They don't believe in that basically. They don't believe that the amount of salary that they are drawing is something that is proof of their worth. You find lots and lots of examples out in the real world where you find many people like quitting their much paid, highly paid jobs and starting their own startup or something, or following their passion. Or you find many people getting into agriculture or some small business in their hometown. So they have proven to be successful leaders, great people. That means they never have allowed that salary to tell them what they are worth of. They know their worth, and they also believe that just salary check will not decide what they are worth of. That is the kind of mindset great leaders will have. Okay? And make yourself vulnerable. Again, leader is not somebody who is like a superman or a superhero, who is only filled with all great powers to be right all the time. No, they don't believe in that kind of display of self. They know they have flaws. They know they have vulnerabilities. They know they have their own insecurities. Thing is, they embrace them. They do not feel insecure of their insecurities. They do not feel hurtful that they'll be judged. That is the difference in the mindset of great leaders. They will let others know of their vulnerabilities. And on the productive side, they will invite the others, they will invite their employees into decision making. They do not feel insecure telling their employees that I cannot make this decision on my own. They project their vulnerable self before their employees gracefully, and they will invite the employees into the decision making, which also makes the employees very, very confident of themselves, because the leader is asking for their opinion. Here, the leader is creating a work environment where the employees can confidently share their ideas. They can become part of the decision-making process. They are being valued. They are being trusted. Okay, so they are being seen, heard, and respected. So this is what a great leader is doing by displaying his vulnerability to the staff or to the followers. He is not losing anything there. Instead, showing off his vulnerability to the employees, he is creating a wonderful workplace environment where the employees have all these wonderful feelings of, being valued, trusted, being seen, heard, and respected. So that is the beautiful mindset which sets great leaders apart from others. Okay. Also, they have like fixed versus growth mindset. Great leaders do not believe that they are born with some fixed talent or fixed set of skills. They always believe in growth mindset. They know they can expand their potentiality. They believe they can also expand their, they expand the potentiality of the followers or of the employees. They never believe in anything being static. They are the ones who are ready to embrace change, to welcome change, and to gracefully embrace that change. Okay, they are the ones that are highly flexible. And great leaders with this growth mindset, they always believe in challenges. They see challenges as opportunities. They embrace those challenges and they come out with wonderful opportunities from those challenges. They never run away from challenges, from failures. That is the growth set great leaders will have. And this is what they embrace change and they expand their learning ability. They believe that they have much ability to learn many things. They never believe that their mind is limited. Or even the employees, even the followers' mind is limited. They believe that they can learn themselves personally a lot and they can also teach the employees or the followers much more. Okay, so that is the kind of growth mindset employees will have, and they will embrace that flexibility as a journey. Like there is never a limit to whatever learning that they can learn. Okay, so they believe that learning is a journey. They believe that change is inevitable, and embracing that change is the opportunity for future business or for future endeavors and for future success. That is the wonderful mindset great leaders will have. Okay, I hope you like this video. Thank you.